Italian police officers were surprised to find a small owl in a chimney of a house after its resident, thinking it was a thief, reported strange noises coming from the chimney. The surprise encounter took place in a house in the town of Belluno, located in the Veneto region of northern Italy. According to the Italian state police, officers concluded that there was no one lurking around the house, but they too heard the strange noises. They decided to inspect the chimney and, to everyone's great surprise, they found the small owl. The police informed that the officers were able to extract the owl and it was then released outside with no further mishaps.